Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Vivint car guard. This is like a low jack, but so much more. We're going to be going over those features in today's video, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Vivint car guard. Now, not only does the car guard provide GPS location tracking, but you can also get trip details and statistics. It's going to provide diagnostic and maintenance alerts, and you're also going to get alerts if your car has been tampered with. And all of those features are going to be combined in the Vivint app. Now, this device is really easy to set up, which is why Vivint will send it to you to just set up yourself. If you do need help, they can send out a technician, but you really don't need it. What they're going to do is they're going to send you out a box that looks like this. It is going to have the car guard in it, and it's also going to have a SIM card for the cell service that is provided in this right here. So all you're really going to do is you're going to follow the instructions on the Vivint app. You're going to go ahead and add a device. You're going to put in your SIM card. You're going to plug this into the OBD2 port on your car. Now that's going to be located underneath the steering wheel. It's going to be different for every car, so you're going to have to look around to locate it, but you're going to plug this in and that is going to connect to your car's computer, which is going to get all the diagnostic and all of the maintenance. Now I do want to mention that Vivint is a home security system similar to ADT. So you do have to have service with them to use this product. Now let's take a look at the app and I'll show you the features it provides. All right, so we got the Vivint app loaded up right here. What we're gonna do is click on the menu up here, click on cars, and this is gonna show us the two cars that I have associated with my account. We can see that we've got disturbance alert turned on, so that's going to alert you if there are any disturbances with the car. I get those anytime I open up my car door. So if I open up my car, I'm gonna get a notification right there. But we've got current location. It's going to be the address of the current location of the car. We've got how much fuel is in the car. We've also got any issues going on with the car, any recalls that are happening with the car, and then what the battery life is looking at. If we click on the car right here, we're going to see kind of the same info. It's going to show a map of where the car is located. And then we've got things like trip history. We can set rules. So say when you arrive home, you can have the lights turn on when it's dark outside. And then we've got notifications. So we've got things like when I enter my home location, send me a notification. If any of the vehicles are towed, if there are any issues with the vehicle, when a trip starts, ends, when the gas is low on the car, you can get notified on any of that stuff. Taking a look at trip history here, we're going to click on all of my trip history. So it's just going to show you all the trips that I've gone on. But if we click on any one of these trips right here, it's going to show you the time it started, the location, the time it ended, and where that location was. We've got trip information here. We've got how long the trip was, the distance I went, how many harsh stops, how many rapid accelerations. We've got average fuel efficiency. We've got max speed. All of that information is provided in the trip history. So there's a lot of information there for you. If we back out of here and we go back to where we see both cars, we can click on the gear icon up here, select one of the cars, and this is where we can turn on disturbance alert. It's also going to give us the make and model of the car, VIN number, and the IMEI of the SIM card that is inside the car guard. All right, so what did you guys think about the Vivint car guard? Let me know in the comments below. Now, I'm not here to convince you guys to purchase this or not. This video is just made to show you guys the feature and help you make a better decision on if this is something that you want to get or not. If you guys want to see any more of my Vivint videos, I will leave a link up above for you guys to check out. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.